We wanted to know when we had breakdowns. We wanted to know when we had bad releases and bugs and issues.
Exploratory testing is where we find bugs early before we have released the feature into the wild.
We know that there's missing holes in our automation, in our manual process.
There is a whole exploratory testing team over at Rainforest. There is no substitute for a smart human playing with the product, using it in free-form ways and exploratory ways.
Having a fresh set of eyes from Rainforest Exploratory crowd is super valuable.
They are clearly experienced testers.
We rank our whole crowd, but the exploratory testers are a subset of the top 1% that we've given additional training.
We give them a plan and say, hey, these are the things that we're going to look for.
The earlier we find the bugs, the lower the cost of removing them is.
A common use case is testing new functionalities.
This is something that Rainforest's exploratory team is great at.
Say you've launched a new sign-up page, you can just have the exploratory testers go through that new flow end to end and make sure they can't find any bugs in it.
Within 2 days, 48 hours, and you get the outputs of your tests, useful comments on why they fail a test when they do.
With ways to replicate things and videos of what happened, gives you peace of mind that you might not have had if your internal team haven't had time to do that themselves.
I trust these folks. I've never met them, and yet I trust them as much as I trust my internal team.